This next exercise is called the prone half frog internal rotation Pails rails. So we're gonna lay on our stomach here, face flat on the ground. You're gonna have your right leg flat and straight out, and we're gonna bring that left leg with your hip and knee at 90 degrees. From here, what we're gonna do is we are going to drive this knee down into the ground, and we're also gonna drive the ankle into the ground for the prescribed amount of time. We're gonna drive it in, hold, and then after the prescribed amount of time, you're gonna drive this knee further into the ground as hard as you can, keeping our ankle flexed, and we're gonna try to lift that foot up towards the ceiling as high as you can for the prescribed amount of time. Again, your head should be face down, facing forward like this.